Oh no! Our friends need to have a bath. Choose your favorite character. Time to get clean! First, let's brush his teeth. Now rinse his mouth. Soap him up with the sponge. Pick up the sponge. Help our friend in the shower. Now let's dry him off. Much better, right, Elliot? It's time to take care of our cats. Let's clean our cat. Looking sharp. Feeding time. Open the can. Nice job! Tasty! Let's build a cat tower. Build the tower. It's time to get some sleep. Meow! Some more cats want to play.